Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy He-Man, and we about to be going to Adrenaline Performance because we're gonna be getting our Beadlocks mounted. As y'all can see in the back seat, I got one Beadlock over there. My homeboy is driving my tires right now. He about to pass us in a minute. He got the tires because they obviously can't fit in my car, and my other Beadlock's in the trunk. I went ahead and went with the bell mount Beadlocks. I just like the look of it, the aesthetic of it. I'll show y'all once we get there. Drop them off so that they can put them together. We're gonna check out their shop. I never showed their shop on my channel before, but we gonna check out their shop. He helped me out when I had my wheel bearing like broke and like it was a whole mess like what I went through. So he helped me out pretty good. I'll go out there and give my support for sure. We on our way there right now. There's a lot of traffic, so I'll just kind of continue the video once we get there. Shit, we just pulled up to Adrenaline. They gotta get me one of them Adrenaline stickers, bro. On the VMS M3, they got like everything out here. This is on the Camaro side, and then that's the Ford side over there. So this, there goes Daniel, and then my boy getting his vet work on in there.
Is that you in the BMW that went by? No,
he's in the BMW. I'm in the. I'm a Chevy guy.
Yeah, I could hear you coming like down the road. It sounds really nice.
Appreciate it. What you got? What you getting done?
Oh, me?
Oh, what you got done?
Nothing. That F80 over there is mine. I gotta redo the clear coat and yeah.
Nice. That's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it back down into a mineral white underneath. And
here we go, y'all.
I was gonna put the top mount. Right now I have
there
the
goes
bottom
side chick
mount
showing over there.
I was gonna turn it up some more.
Check this Z01 out though. Twin turbo Z01. Holy shit.
So I'm gonna take it back
there
down.
There go my boys over there. There go the damn. This is a Z06 over here, I think. Or it was Z01 right there. It's nice as hell up in here, bro. It's like, damn, ain't nothing in this vet. Holy shit. Wonder what he's getting done to it. This shit clean though. We got this. It's tough too. But there goes Nico's vet right there. We going on the other side to talk to Manny and drop the welds off over there. We gonna get some springs and everything done later on, but right now it's just getting the welds and everything. More Z01. What's up, Daniel?
Manual?
Yeah. Gotta go with Manuel. We'll be talking real soon because I'm probably gonna go with a Magnuson. Might go with a Magnuson in mine. No, what you think?
I highly recommend keeping on the track.
Huh? Not no crazy power. Like it's like 6s. It's like 600.
Enjoy it.
Is this Nico's?
Yeah.
Go do your thing.
What's like the time frame for his car?
It'll be done Friday.
Nice. Oh, you gutted it completely. Holy shit. Full on drag car. Holy shit. And then Nico's car is gonna be done on Friday. That's tough.
Yeah, I'm building that motor for head.
This one?
Yeah, that's my
Oh,
motor
this.
over there.
Damn. It's a real performance over here. We gotta come through there and get ours. But yeah, remember this one though. It's like a full-on drag build. Now it's like gutted. It got no seats in there. Roll cages. Damn. Who did the welding?
Performance welding here in Jacksonville.
Damn. Well, yeah, those seats ain't too comfortable. You gonna take apart the whole dash too, or you just leaving that stuff?
Done.
Oh, you already did?
It's already gutted.
Oh shit. Damn.
The dash they weighted, it was 146, now it only weighs 32.
Damn.
I probably lost like 300 pounds. I'm gonna put fiberglass doors, fiberglass trunk. I already got a carbon hood. I'm selling my wing if you know anybody wants it. Full carbon.
Full carbon wing. Damn.
Full carbon wing.
Shit. This thing is nice. I got the same taillights almost.
Yeah, that's my motor.
Woo. What's the time frame for yours?
It'll be 3 or 4 months.
3-4 months.
The motor will be finished up today.
That's tough, man.
Like I said, I'm in the middle of putting that together,
Yeah,
putting this together, and I gotta finish mine.
You doing it all solo? Or you got some helpers?
Sean, that's Curtis's car, my best friend, the one right behind
the black one.
Here. It'll make 850 on motor.
Damn. Shit. Here goes Nico's car.
Mine will make probably like 1900 or 2200.
You went with stage 3 cam, right? I think.
Stage 1.
Stage 1. God damn.
It's stroker motor.
Shit.
This is a nitrous LS.
You got the twin turbo Z01 over there.
Yeah.
Damn.
I think the SS.
SS?
Yeah, that's SS.
Twin turbo SS. Holy
And
shit.
we got this right here to get nitrous car, black and gray.
Damn.
And then that other blue Camaro out there, his motor's in the back over there where you see the LME box over there.
Yeah.
He's got a 447 LS going in it.
Damn. Well, these boys getting big upgrades in here, bro. Here in Nico's car, Friday. So that would be pretty tough.
This nigga said, "Is the engine still out?"
Tell them Friday is when it'll be done. All right, y'all. So we taking these tires out right now. I'm about to take the beads out. Here go Mar with the Nittos right here. Just look pretty clean though. It should fit perfect, bro. Hopefully, but we about to take these shits out. My car is dirty as hell from all this rain, bro. Yeah, my car is dirty as fuck from all this rain.
What the fuck happened?
Oh shit. There we go. But got that one weld in here, and then I got the other one in there. I bet. Yo, bro, he trying to set me up. Welds out. We got the tires out. We about to take them over there real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all this side of the shop. All right, y'all. So we just dropped the welds off. They over there. But let's check out what they got inside this side of the shop. We got Ford over here now. Ain't nothing but Ford on this side. So we got a big, ooh, shit. Big single. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, bro. These Fords, especially the 10 speeds, bro, they be crazy as fuck. Like, this shit is just crazy over here. Let me see what they got on the inside. Full on drag car, bro. It's literally a full on drag car. Like, look at that shit on the inside. On this Corvette right now, and then there you go. Y'all see our rims over there, rims and tires over there. We got a Golf GTI. It's just straight forward on this side. I wonder what they're doing to this car. But y'all make sure y'all go check out their website. Everything is updated on their website now. You can literally just build the package you want, and then get a quote right there. Those are the Venturas, I think. I looked at those for one point, the Venturas, but I like the belt mounts a little bit more. I ain't gonna lie to you. See, I don't think this is his. I think I know the person who drives this, but not really. We got some transmissions down here, but this is the shop though, Camaro side, and they're gonna add a dyno on that end bay over there. I haven't showed y'all the Beadlocks yet, so let me just go ahead and show y'all real quick.
How much we need? 800?
So these what the Beadlocks look like right here. The ring goes on top of it. You got the ring? That's kind of what the Beadlock will look like. Take a picture real quick. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, that shit is fire as hell. I can't wait to get these finally mounted on, so whenever they finish with it and they call me, then y'all will see the final result. Alright y'all, so it's a couple days later. We about to fill up on some E right now, but we about to go to Adrenaline and get the Beadlocks. I think they should be done by now. But we're about to get my wheel bearing changed on this right side. So I was supposed to change it, but the bolts at the back I couldn't really like see, and plus I'm in like an enclosed area, so I was like, forget it, I ain't even gonna do it. But we on our way right there right now, so let's wait till we fill up. Ooh yeah, that's over there from Adrenaline. He's hooking up that new wheel bearing right now, and then we just went to get these splines for this Beadlock, so we can put these on because they obviously cannot match up with the regular bolts, so you got to get the new ones. Look at these. Look at this wheel bearing. This is the right wheel bearing that I'm getting changed right now. This shit is cooked. All right, y'all. So the Beadlocks is on. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I low-key forgot to record that little process of when they were taking it off and all that. But I might find a way to throw it in the video because I did record on my phone. So I'm gonna find a way. Here, y'all see her right here. I'm gonna show y'all that half. But nah, I can't wait, man. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my God. We got them Beadlocks on. If you want the exact specs, I can throw the specs in the description so that way you can, if you want to get yourself some, you can go ahead. It clears everything perfectly. Obviously, y'all see the burn bolts are cleared. And I got my two tires in the passenger seat, and they barely fit, to be honest. I'm loving it right now. So shout out Adrenaline Performance for hooking me up, you know, getting me right, because I low-key couldn't even find a shop to do those, because Beadlocks are a little bit different. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. I'm low-key thinking, since we got the Beadlocks, we got to do something crazy. So I'm thinking about going 2650 and putting the 2650 in here and match it purple with the 1LE. I might keep the purple for a little bit longer, to be honest. I was going to change it up, but I think I'm loving the purple even more now. I might change the brakes like a different color maybe. I don't know what color I would change them, to be honest, because the red kind of sticks out, but I really don't know what color would go with it. Like maybe like a satin, like maybe something that would be glowing or something like that. I don't know, but let's see if I can show you off on the front. Boom, look at that, bro. That's a thumbnail right there, holy shit. That's it for the rest of this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and stick around for the next videos that I got. I got some more upgrades coming, some new stuff, so y'all check it out, man.
Boy, they try playing my face wet, I put him in casket.